Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste on your HP ENVY X360. So to copy and paste, I'm gonna show you, maybe let's copy and paste some text. So I'm gonna open Notepad. Then I'm gonna write something down. And now, in order to copy it, select it. First, I'm gonna show you that everything on touch screen, then on keyboard, because it depends on which mode you're using. It will be faster on keyboard, but if you're not currently using keyboard, then surely it will not be faster. So I'm gonna just select the text. So I'm gonna, you can see, point my cursor to the beginning or the end of the text I want to copy, then slide it so it's selected. Now on touch screen, just press and hold on the text. Now click on copy, and now in order to paste it, point the cursor where you want to paste it. I'm gonna also insert a space. Then I'm gonna press and hold and click on paste, and it is pasted. Now I'm gonna show you that on keyboard and touchpad. So let me just quickly move the window down so you can see everything well. And now I'm gonna select the text. So I'm just gonna click here, and I'm gonna double click and drag. You can also instead click and drag, but I prefer double tapping and dragging, just like that. Now I have it selected, and you need to click on Ctrl C to copy. I'm gonna insert a space, then Ctrl and V to paste it. And that's pasted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.